everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply invite someone to your meeting in Zoom on your mobile phone. So there are actually 3 ways how you can do it. When I'm going to click on new meeting, I can start meeting here, right? And I don't know if you're gonna see my no. Okay, allow, deny. I can invite the others, right here. This is the first way how you can invite someone to your Zoom, right? When you get actually meeting going on. When I'm going to click on end. Now right here, there is another way when you go to meetings and you can send invitation to someone again through Gmail, or you can click on your schedule meeting right here and you want to invite through Gmail, email, messages, and copy to clipboard. So this is how we do it, and yep, copy to clipboard. And when I'm going to show you how it looks like, it's like this. Paste. Mark is inviting you to schedule Zoom, and this is the email they are going to get, and also with the passcode and everything. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.